Today, we're unlocking one of Pineville's best kept secrets, a brand new luxury community just minutes from downtown Pineville, from Ballantyne, and just minutes from Uptown, with resort style amenities, highly rated schools, and flexible floor plans. And when I mean flexible, you have to see what these floor plans offer. But wait until you see one feature in these homes that buyers are literally paying tens of thousands more for. You do not want to miss out. Let's go. Now we're about to go into the Brockton floor plan. Now what we're gonna see is a 4-bedroom, and it's just about 2,300 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look, and I will point out different things that are upgrades or options. This community is very unique. You get to customize various things about this home that you would not, and homes in this community that you typically would not be able to customize in any other community with any other builder. So when we go inside this Brockton floor plan, you have a dining area right here. What I see is tons of natural light when you first enter. Then it opens up to your kitchen, large island, quartz countertop. And I notice all of the storage, all of the cabinets you have. You have a pantry, you have the cabinets underneath the island, you have the cabinets along the wall. This is a perfect entertainment space where you have the open kitchen, the dining area, and this living room. Everybody can be part of the conversation. I can picture having family and friends over, enjoying all of this space, as well as just sitting by the fireplace. You see the finishes here in the kitchen. Beautiful backsplash. You see this farmhouse sink, quartz countertop. Again, these are things you get to customize and pick out if you decide to go that route, or they have spec homes available as well. And downstairs, they have this optional flex room or flex space, but you can convert it into a bedroom, which you see in this model. That's what takes this 3-bedroom and turns it into a 4-bedroom. Perfect for families that have guests that come over that don't want to utilize the stairs, or if you just have multi-generational living and you have somebody that is there all the time that just does not want to go up the stairs. And you can convert this half bath into a full bathroom when you add that as a bedroom. Tile shower all the way to the ceiling. Now let's head upstairs. And when we go upstairs, I will share with you different add-ons you can do upstairs. Now, when you go into new home communities, be sure you let them know that you're represented and that you have a realtor working with you. This is the loft area up here. We're about to go into bedroom, the general bathroom first, and then we're gonna go in bedroom number 2. Now, reason why you want them to know that you're working with a representative, you can tell them, hey, I'm working with Sir Ashley, be sure to contact me, because you need somebody looking out for your best interest. I was recently able to get significant money off the price and significant incentives for my client, more than the standard incentives that they offer to everyone. Who you work with matters, and we want to make sure that your process is as smooth as possible. Now, one thing I love about this floor plan, this is not on every elevation, but you have this upper deck that you can sit out and just enjoy the weather right off of the loft area. And here we got the laundry room. And we're about to go into bedroom number 3. So my contact information is in the description below. My team and I, we specialize in new construction. We do a lot of new construction in the area. And we know the ins and outs, and not only how to represent you and get a good deal, but also how to keep everybody accountable and making sure, again, your process is as smooth as possible. This is the primary suite. You see the tray ceiling, a nice sized primary suite. You have the dual vanity, a lot of counter space. You have the water closet right here. And this is the shower, owner suite shower. You see the cutout as well as a bench in here. And we're about to go to the closet. Now, I'm going to show you another floor plan in this community, but the option exists in this floor plan as well. You can go up to a 3rd floor where you can just get a bonus room if that's what you want, or you can get a bonus room and a bedroom on the 3rd floor. So that is what people are paying extra for. But I'm not done yet. Here you have Charleston style living with a detached garage right behind the home. And the other option buyers are flocking to in this community is above the 2-car garage, you can put this game area or this loft area. Additional living space. I've had clients say, hey, I'm gonna use this as my home office or a theater room. You can have it conditioned. You can have a little kitchenette in here as well. I'm telling you, quite unique here in the Charlotte area. If you have questions, want to know more, be sure to reach out. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate strategist and advisor. Talk to you soon.